Hey guys, how's it going? Today is the Tech Daily, and today I got to review you guys on an app from the Mac App Store called BetterSnapTool. So one of the utilities I really miss from Windows 7 is the ability to drag a window from any corner and drag it to the left of the screen, the right of the screen, and it automatically snaps to the left side or the right side, and it becomes really useful when you want to see multiple things on your screen. With this application, it brings that utility to the Mac, and it runs really smoothly, and it actually runs a lot better than the one on the Windows since there's so much more customizations. So let's do a quick demo of how this works. So if I open up a new window in Safari, and say I was doing some research and was looking something up, and also was typing a paper at the same time, I'll just drag the Safari to the left of the screen, and you guys will see it automatically snaps halfway. Now say, as I said before, I'm typing something up, so let's open Microsoft Word. Actually, I click PowerPoint there as well, so it doesn't really make a difference, but let's wait for Word to open up. But there we go, Word, say I just opened up a blank document, and I was typing up my paper. I can automatically just grab it from the top again, and drag it to the side of the screen. And you guys will see that will automatically snap. So now I can go over here, start typing up my paper. I'm just typing random stuff. And then I can also go to Google, look something up at the same time. And you guys can see that instead of actually formatting, as I said before, to make it half screen, I just have to grab it and it'll snap back. And then I can just snap it full screen, half screen, however I want. So really this application runs really smoothly. It runs just like Windows. And now let's actually go and show you the customizations that I was talking about. So here's the actual application itself. Scroll on over here, BetterSnapTool. So I'll go ahead and open up. And you guys can see that there's a lot of options here. So right now you guys can see you can have where do you want it to snap. So right now I have all the options snapped, so I can snap it to the bottom left, to the top right, top left, wherever I want right now. And also I have it checked at the bottom to start every time I start my Mac up, and then show it in the menu bar. So right over here you guys can see, here it is, and this is where I can access all the preferences and everything right here as well. So let's go to the next tab, Customizations, and this actually lets you do a lot more. So you can choose the border width, you can choose if you want the animation while you're doing it, you can choose to restore it to the old window size, which I currently have since I want the size I want, and you can just do it to however your needs are. Snap areas actually let you customize where you want to snap. So instead of just having these defaults, snap to the left, snap to the right, you can actually choose if you want maybe a quarter of the screen, maybe a quarter of the screen in the middle. You can actually make your own customizable areas. So when I say that it's a lot better than the Windows version, as you guys can see, it's a lot more customizable. So there's just another tab right here, extras, and that's just secondary clicks with the mouse, which correlate with these buttons, but those really don't matter. And there's also keyboard shortcuts, which I really don't use as well. The snap areas and customizations are what you're really going to be using a lot, and that actually lets you control where you want to snap, how you want it to snap, and how you want it to look. So here's the application itself. You guys can see it is $1.99 in the Mac App Store. It's only 0.7 megabytes, so it's really small, and it takes up a little amount of memory, so you won't even notice it running in the background. And really, for $2, you can't go wrong. This is really a great utility that I loved having built into Windows, and now you can have it automatically built into your Mac as well. So definitely for anyone that just recently switched over to Windows, or for any Mac users that have never actually used this feature since you've never used a Windows computer, trust me, it works really well, makes everything a lot faster, especially if you're a person that does multiple things at multiple times. Everything, you can see multiple things on your screen, and everything runs really good. So definitely I'd recommend you guys to check out this app, especially because it's only $1.99. They can have easily charge more for it, definitely, because it adds a whole nother thing for your Mac, a big feature that I really loved about Windows to your Mac for only $2. So definitely go check it out in the App Store. Other than that, this was just a really quick app review on an app that I really had to point out since I really love this app, and I bet there's a lot of other people that really like this feature from Windows. But other than that, guys, this was just a quick video, so thank you guys for watching, and please remember to comment and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.